Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we embark on an exciting journey into the world of cryptocurrency, unraveling the interstate procedures that can help you to spot the next potential plus 1000x crypto projects. As the crypto space evolves as a rapid race, navigating through the multitude of emerging projects require a strategic approach and careful consideration of key factors. In the dynamic realm of cryptocurrency, new and promising projects continuously surface, making it a challenging yet rewarding endeavor to identify the next big thing. Understanding the landscape involves staying attuned at the evolving trends and recognizing high-growth sectors. In 2022, play-to-earn gaming, NFTs, Metaverse, and DeFi took a center stage. Fast forward to 2023 and 2024, and we will observe the emergence of AI, decentralized finance, and the Web3 as the latest high-growth areas. Keeping a keen eye on these sectors can serve as an initial step in identifying promising projects. One pivotal aspect in the quest of crypto gems is considering market capitalization. While investing in low market cap projects entails high risk, the potential reward can outweigh those from more established projects. Before taking the plunge into any project, conducting thorough research is paramount. Cryptocurrency aggregators like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko play a crucial role in this process, offering a comprehensive overview of a project. These platforms provide essential information, including trading history, crypto ranking, and brief project description. Project ranking, determined by market cap, offers insight into project standing compared to other cryptocurrencies. A higher market cap generally indicates a low volatility and a safer investment. Examining a project's price history is a valuable tool for assessing its performance over time. Caution should also be exercised with projects featuring excessively large total supplies, leading to very low market prices. In conclusion, the journey to finding the new crypto gems requires a combination of strategic thinking, thorough research, and an understanding of market dynamics. While each approach carries its own set of risks and rewards, staying informed is the bedrock of making well-informed investment decisions in the dynamic cryptocurrency landscape. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next video.